This is topic E on page 41, previewing and printing documents.
You've reached a milestone in your editing and you're ready to produce a copy of the document in print form. Depending on the type of document you've created, you may want to print it eventually. It's important to preview the document before printing it in order to identify obvious formatting errors and to verify that all of the elements are where you want them. To preview a document, you would go to your File tab on your ribbon, and you're going to select the print option in the left-hand pane. This will bring you to your print preview screen. In the right-hand pane, this is a preview of what your document will look like. You have your zoom bar on the bottom. You can zoom in to see the text closer. You can zoom out to see more of the pages. You have the option here, zoom to page. Will show one single solitary page in its full capacity in the screen. You also have your page navigation in the bottom left-hand corner of your preview screen, so I can scroll to page 2 and so on if I had more here. Now in the middle pane at the top, you have your print section. You can choose how many copies of your document you want printed, and this is the print button to execute this and send the job to the printer. Under the printer heading, here you have your drop down. All printers that are connected to your computer are listed here. You just choose it. Now, this printer is not connected to my remote, so obviously it's not going to show there. You would select your printer, choose your settings, which we'll go through, and then execute that print job by hitting your print button. Your settings, your first drop down, you select print all pages. You can print a selection if you have maybe a paragraph selected before you go into your print window. You can print selection. You can print the current page where your cursor is located, or you could do a custom print. So maybe I only want page 1 printed. Type that in. When I hit print, it's only going to print this first page of my document. If you wanted to print a range, maybe 5 through 16, obviously I don't have 16 pages here, but you could, this would eliminate the first 4 pages of your document. If your printer has the capabilities, you can print one-sided, you can print on both sides. Manually print on both sides, you would have to flip the paper by yourself. Most printers nowadays will automatically flip it for you. Your collated settings will print page 1, 2, and 3. And then if you have multiple copies that you're printing, we'll go 1, 2, 3 again, 1, 2, 3 again, and so on. Uncollated will do all the first pages together, then move on to all the second pages, and so on and so forth. Then you have your orientation, long ways up and down, which is portrait, long ways side to side, which is landscape. Your paper size, and we'll get into all these options in much more detail as we're going through our Word course. This is kind of just a opening, preview of what we'll be getting into. Our margins, which we know is the white space, top, bottom, left, and right, between the edge of our page and where our actual text starts. So this would be our left margin right here. So you can choose the size of your margins from here. And you can also choose how many pages in your document you want printed per sheet of paper from here. So once you get all your settings, how you want them, your printer that you're sending the job to, and then you can choose how many copies and go ahead and hit your print button. We're not going to be printing anything, especially from our remote server.
Our next video will be activity 1.9 on page 43.